In this video, I will show you how to open Google Ads account without Campaign. So what you need to do for this is you need to go over and search for Google Ads. So go ahead and click on Google Ads. After you land on the page, go ahead and click on Start Now. And once you do that, it will say create your first campaign in a few simple steps. So now you need to click on create your first campaign. And first we need to go to some steps. And after that, we can just skip it from this part on, create your campaign and enter payment details. And in order to not run a campaign, we still need to fill in a couple of things, including your website. So here you just need to fill in a web page URL. So just go ahead and do that. And after you've done that, go ahead and click on next. And then from this step on, you can just go ahead and click on skip. And now it's asking us to choose a goal for this campaign, and we can again click on skip. Then we're going to scroll down and then click on skip again. And then it will ask leave campaign creation. And then you need to click on leave campaign creation in here. And now we need to enter a billing country. And then we need to click on continue. And then from this step, we need to fill in our payment details. And after we have done that, we have successfully set up our Google Ads account without running a campaign. So it's still loading right now. So let's wait for that to finish. So what you need to do now is just go ahead and click on this and then add a payment profile. Enter if you are an individual or if you are an organization. And after that, fill in your legal name, street address, your apartment, suite, or etc., your postal code and your city, and then you can click on create. And after you've added those information and those details, you need to enter the purpose of use. So if you're using it for business or eligible for non-business, go ahead and fill that in. And then you need to add a payment method to your account. And then it says you will see a temporary €10 authorization on your card, which is typically removed within a week. So go ahead and fill in your payment method and then click on I agree to the Google Ads terms. And after you have entered everything, it will say your account was created. So now you can just go and click on continue, and then you can get started with Google Ads. So after you've done that, you are ready to start using Google Ads without running a campaign. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.